The CUSIMAX Smokeless Indoor Grill does a convincing job of keeping visible smoke and lingering odors down, making it practical for small apartments and enclosed kitchens. Its interchangeable grill and griddle plates mean you can sear steaks at dinner and cook pancakes or eggs in the morning without needing separate appliances. The heating system reaches cooking temperature quickly and distributes heat evenly across the surface, so food cooks consistently instead of leaving hot and cold spots. An easy-to-read digital control panel lets you dial in specific temperatures more like an oven than a basic hot plate, which helps avoid overcooking delicate foods. The tempered glass lid traps heat, speeds up cooking, and lets you monitor burgers or vegetables without constantly lifting the cover and losing heat. Detachable non-stick plates, a removable drip tray, and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup straightforward enough that you will actually want to use it on busy weeknights.